Hi everyone, my name is Frank Konteski here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you the 2023 Sea Ray 37 Sundancer Outboard. New model by Sea Ray, and we also have some brand new motors by Mercury. These are the 600 horsepower Mercury Verados. They are amazingly quiet yet amazingly fast. We just hit 61 miles an hour at our boat test that we just did. Couple features. For the first 1,000 hours, you do not need to remove the cowling. All your work can be done right here. The motors also have twin props, and the power heads don't move, just the lower unit. Forward of the motors, next feature I'd like to highlight is the fold down transom seat with a backrest. Let's make our way into the cockpit. Once stepping into the cockpit, you have room for 6 adults. Nice wet bar area with a grill, sink, refrigerator, and storage. On the starboard side, we do have storage underneath the seats, along with some port side storage. Your table legs, which mount into the floor here and here, will pop into place. Another nice touch that Sea Ray put into their vinyl seating is the stitching. It actually matches the etching on the glass. And then right above here, we also do have a TV that will go in place. Before making our way up to the helm, I'd like to highlight controls for heat and AC. With this big hardtop and full front windshield, you do get to enjoy a climate controlled area. As for the sides, these are half windshields that can be brought up to full glass all the way around, so you do have 3 sides of full glass with isinglass in the back. Alongside the helm, we do have the co-pilot seat with thigh-high bolster, the co-pilot and the captain seat, both double wide for 2 adults. Up at the helm here, twin Simrad displays. These are the 16-inch screens. What I love is the redundancy on this boat. You do have switching through your Simrad screens, but also halo switching right underneath. Fusion stereo system, spotlight, helm wheel, digital throttle switching, skyhook and joystick, and auto trim tab system. Sea Ray's nice attention to detail with the stitching in the seats continues with the woodwork throughout the boat, really highlighted nicely up here at the helm, but it also continues down into the cabin, which you can see demonstrated through here for the cabin steps. Once you step down, at the mid-cabin, we have a nice wet bar area, sink, microwave, and refrigerator. On the starboard side, we have our head. Once you step into the head, you will notice that it is not a wet head with an enclosed shower. Spacious with some storage. Alright, once we're seated, we do have our panel behind us, some storage in the seats behind me. Awesome area if you're trying to get out of the weather or you're doing a long weekend trip. We do have our TV here, closet. This area will convert into a bed, and then we have an additional sleeping area in the aft of the boat. Here in the aft seating, we do have port windows on port and starboard sides, so you get a nice cross ventilation. Also a really cool shot here when you're hanging out. We do have TV with soundbar as well, so you can feel right at home. Leaving the cabin on the port side, we do have this beautiful walk-through. No step, it flows evenly up. The window is gas assisted, so easy to go up and down. Beautiful seating area here. Loungers with armrests that fold out. If you don't want to lounge and all your guests want to sit, seating can pop up. And then again, that attention to detail by Sea Ray. Right here we have beautiful speaker covers that match all the stitching and that glass etched hardtop with that woodwork that continues through here. So again, this boat has a lot of features that we didn't show today. Come by and check us out. We're at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank Konteski. Thank you for your time.